Hello everyone, and welcome to the Acenji sign-up tutorial where we're going to show you how to create your own Acenji account. Now you can do this by either clicking the sign up button, or you can select if you're a company or an individual. You can enter your email address and click join now. Now if you're a company, only one individual needs to create an account. The rest can be onboarded internally. Now if we click sign up, here is the information you can enter. And you do not need a credit card to create an account. You get a 30-day free trial, and you can get a 2-year subscription or a 1-year subscription. This is for 2 users, this is for 5, this is for 15, and then you can click sign up. And then after that, all you need to do is log in. I've already created mine, and here you can add in any logo you need. You can also verify all your information to make sure it's correct, and you can add in your credit card down here. That's all for today's tutorial, and have a good day.